When a president defies the courts, what can be done? In a democratic system, the rule of law is the foundation that ensures accountability, fairness, and stability. But what happens when the very leader elected to uphold the Constitution openly defies court orders? This scenario, once considered improbable, presents a direct challenge to the balance of power and demands urgent action to protect the integrity of the legal system. The judiciary is designed to be an independent check on executive power, ensuring that laws are followed and constitutional rights are upheld. When a sitting president refuses to comply with court rulings, the legal and political mechanisms available must be activated to preserve the rule of law. The first line of defense typically comes from the courts themselves, which can issue further rulings, hold officials in contempt, and impose legal consequences for noncompliance. However, a defiant president may simply ignore such measures, escalating the crisis. Congress plays a crucial role in holding a noncompliant president accountable. Lawmakers can apply pressure through hearings, resolutions, and funding restrictions to force compliance. In extreme cases, Congress has the power to impeach and remove a president for violating their oath to uphold the Constitution. While impeachment is a politically charged process, it remains a constitutional remedy for presidential overreach. Beyond institutional actions, public pressure and political consequences can be powerful forces. A president who defies court orders risks eroding public trust and facing backlash from voters. Civil society, legal organizations, and the media play a vital role in highlighting the dangers of executive lawlessness, mobilizing public opinion, and demanding accountability. State governments and local officials also have tools at their disposal. Governors and state attorneys general can challenge unconstitutional executive actions, refuse to cooperate with unlawful directives, and seek enforcement through federal agencies. Meanwhile, law enforcement agencies, particularly those not under direct presidential control, must decide whether to uphold the law as interpreted by the courts or follow the executive branch's defiance. Ultimately, the durability of democracy depends on the willingness of institutions and the people to defend it. A president openly defying the courts is a crisis that requires a unified response across all branches of government and civil society. History has shown that legal battles, political pressure, and public accountability can rein in an overreaching executive, but only if those committed to democracy take decisive action. The Constitution is only as strong as the collective effort to uphold it. And when a president defies the courts, it becomes a defining moment for the nation's commitment to the rule of law.